Are you looking for that perfect sustainable property in Idaho? Well, my name's Earl Musick. I'm with United Country Real Estate out of Grangeville, Idaho, and I'm coming to you from the North Central Idaho area. This is very close to the South Fork of the Clearwater River, and this is the perfect little property. We're at the end of the road. There's only one other neighbor that lives further on down the road here, and right here behind me, when you get off the property line, it's United States Forest Service. You're never going to have a neighbor back there. So it's a perfect little private property for you to live that sustainable lifestyle that you're looking for. We have two ponds on the property. The one right behind me is a little more for aesthetics. There's another one up by the old barn, and it is perfect for irrigation and fire protection. There is a spring feeding this property for water source, so you don't have to worry about electricity, a well going dry, anything like that. There's also water rights out of the creek. The creek that's flowing through this property, it's a year-round creek. You can probably hear it right now. This is Labor Day, and so this is the lowest you're probably ever going to see that creek. And so it's a great property. The house, there's absolutely nothing really wrong with the house. It's just an older home. They lived in it for 40 years. It treated them well that entire time. It's just not quite up to the standards of homes being built today. But if you're okay with that, come take a look at it. I think you'll be pleasantly surprised by this property. It's going to fit the lifestyle you're looking for, and I'd love to show you around. Walking into the living room. Pretty nice spacious room here. Go ahead and walk in the kitchen very quickly. Refrigerator stays here with the house. Got lots of cabinets here. That is an electric range, but made to look up like a antique wood burning oven and stove there. Right in here we have kind of a mud room, goes onto the back porch. We're gonna go check that out here in a few minutes, but a little extra pantry space right here for you. And back, as long as we're in the kitchen, walk into here. Down this door is the inside access to the root cellar. A nice built-in bookcase here. This easily could be a little dining area or an office. The bathroom, washer and dryer stay just like the refrigerator, and has a stand-up shower and tub right here. Walk back through. Walk into the bigger of the two bedrooms right here. You can see nice big closet in here, a couple of windows, one of them going out to the pond and waterfall. Just a nice little room here. Here's the second room. It is smaller, but big enough for a guest bed. It has kind of a built-in bookshelf as well and some storage. Turn the corner here, and this is the pantry. There's pocket doors on all of these, by the way, and they like to do some canning, so they had an extra oven and range right there that's all plumbed in for electrical. Walking back through the living room here. And this is a split unit. It's fairly new. In fact, I even heard there might be some factory warranty left on it. But air conditioning and heating through there. And let's go up the stairs real quick and check out the loft. Room up here. I mean, that's a queen size bed, so there's quite a bit of room there. And then they have the other half going out right here. It's got a nice little view right here of the pond and the waterfall right there. So here's the pond, and it is fed by the creek here. Today is Labor Day, so right there at the beginning of September. So you can see the water flow here is pretty good. This is a year-round creek, and they have water rights out of it. They have that established with the U.S. Forest Service. They do have to pay a small fee every single year, but they have a water system completely set up, all gravity fed for irrigation, going to all the freezeless faucets here on the property. This is the second pond. Again, help for irrigation, fire protection if you ever need it. Quite a bit larger than the first one. As you can see right there, home of some wildlife.